Are you aware of the best ways to claim your tax refunds? As Benjamin Franklin once said, in this world, nothing can be said to be certain except death and taxes. But what if we told you there's a way to navigate through the complex world of taxes and make the most of your hard-earned money? Let's start by understanding what a tax refund is. Simply put, it's a reimbursement from the government for taxes paid beyond what you owe. Now, how do you claim it? Step 1 is to gather all necessary documentation. This includes income statements, receipts for deductions, and details of any tax credits. Step 2 is to decide between itemizing deductions and taking the standard deduction. Keep in mind, itemizing deductions can potentially lower your tax bill or increase your refund. However, if the sum of your itemized deductions is less than the standard deduction, it's better to take the standard deduction. Step 3 is filing your tax return. You can do this either by mail or electronically. Remember, filing early can help you receive your refund sooner and prevent identity theft. Step 4 is to adjust your withholdings. It's advised to adjust withholding to avoid owing taxes or receiving a refund, which allows you to keep more income in your pocket. Lastly, track your refund status. The Internal Revenue Service, or IRS, provides tools to check the status of your refund once your return has been accepted. So, to summarize, claiming your tax refund involves gathering your documents, deciding on your method of deduction, filing your tax return, adjusting your withholdings, and tracking your refund status. Here's a quick tip. Credits are more valuable than deductions for reducing tax bills. Even if you don't itemize, there are still some deductions you can take. Remember, taxes don't have to be taxing. With these steps, you can navigate the tax season with ease and confidence, ensuring you get the most out of your hard-earned money. While tax laws and regulations may change, these fundamental steps to claiming your tax refund remain the same. It's all about being informed, prepared, and proactive. So here's to a less stressful tax season and maximizing your tax refunds.